Make a great choice today with the 2017 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.